Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I've been asked quite a few times how do we change the coin slot on the Straight Six Essex. So quickly take the return spring off through the two screws and remove the plate. And this will slide straight out. Flip this over. Now you can see these are your levers. Obviously this one is blank, which at the moment is set to €2. So I'm going to change it to 1. Take the holding nut out and then remove the plate. Now here, this is your little ratchet spring. Yeah, it's very important at the base. Comes off the same way. And lay it down exactly the same way. Now we can take the plastic insert out. And if you're finding this video useful guys, please like and subscribe. Be careful then we don't tumble all the levers. Place that down. Now this is the €2 slot. Yeah, and next to it is the 1. So all I'm going to do is take this one lever and place it next to it. With that one, I'm going to put the plastic insert back in. I'm going to put the spring on exactly how we took it off. The back plate back on. The nuts back in there. Nice and tight. Now then, put this back in the chute. Obviously it won't go through. Now we've got the magic piece of cord. Just at the back of this, you slide this in and this will hold your levers down and pull it straight through. Put your plate back on. Put the return spring back on. There we have it guys, the slot is now €1.